Murmurs. The causes of murmurs. According to the timing of the murmurs, there are two types of murmurs, systolic murmurs and the diastolic murmurs. When we put systolic murmurs into finer timing, then it is further divided into the pansystolic murmur and the ejection systolic murmur. The causes of pansystolic murmur are the mitral regurgitation, tricuspid regurgitation, ventricular septal defect, and the causes of ejection systolic is aortic stenosis, pulmonary stenosis. On the other hand, when we talk about the diastolic murmurs, we further divide this also into two types, mid diastolic murmurs and the early diastolic murmurs. The causes of mid diastolic murmurs are the mitral stenosis, tricuspid stenosis, atrial septal defects, and the causes of early diastolic murmurs are the aortic regurgitation and pulmonary regurgitation. So these are the causes of murmurs.